Welcome to this presentation of Greentree Workflow. Workflow is a system-wide module providing many features that enhance the day-to-day use of Greentree for all users. Workflow benefits include customized desktops for each user or groups of users. These desktops include a number of lists including menu trees, favorites, bookmarked records, and records most recently used. Desktops also provide the framework for Greentree 3D and custom information screens. It also provides several additional functions on the data entry screens. These are instant alerts, sticky notes, linked records, and the ability to add attachments to any record. Finally, Workflow also adds the ability to drill down from Excel financial reports into Greentree, and it provides the gateway for other Greentree modules, such as Approvals and Alerts, Business Process Manager, Data Import Manager, and AutoScan. So let's see some of the features in action. Firstly, let's look at an example of a desk that may be used for sales. Remember, these desks are very customizable for each user's requirements. You can even have access to multiple desk layouts. On the left of our screen, we have four options. A menu tree, which gives you an alternative to the menu at the top of the page. A list of most recently used records, allowing you to quickly go back to other records. Bookmarks allows each user to provide a shortcut to records used regularly. And favorites, which is a shortcut to a menu item. The white boxes on this screen are 3D boxes. Let's see what happens when we create a new sales order. We can select sales orders from our favorites menu and then add a customer. Workflow Instant Alerts has automatically reminded us that these are gold customers, and two of our 3D screens have been populated with data relating to this customer. In this case, we have set up 3D to show items previously purchased by this customer in the top right screen, and at the bottom, outstanding orders. We have also color-coded the orders to show in old in red, current in orange, and future orders in green. Clicking on the reference will actually bring the order back to the screen. Now we will add a line to this order. When we select a stock item, the remaining 3D boxes are populated with information relating to that stock item. We've asked for a photo, the available stock quantities in each location, a list of companion items, a list of attachments for this item. Attachments are part of Workflow. Details about this particular item, and finally, at the bottom centre, details about the purchases of this item from our suppliers. Clicking this box here will actually expand that box and give us more information. As you have just seen, Greentree 3D can provide the user with a tremendous amount of detail that was previously hidden away behind the record and would have needed several clicks to access it. Before moving on to the data entry features provided by Workflow, I'd like to show you a few more desktops just to highlight the versatility. Firstly, here's an example of a financial desktop showing all the relevant financial data. And lastly, here is an example of a service desktop showing a planner, a graph, different types of orders, and records for approval. Don't forget, a user could have access to several desktops and may even have more than one desktop open at a time. Moving back to our original desktop, I will now show you the data entry features of Workflow. Firstly, we select supplier maintenance from our favorites, and then we select the supplier. An instant message appears that has been generated by Workflow. These messages can be attached to any record and will appear every time that record is accessed. Workflow has added 4 new icons at the top of the screen. The first of these allows you to add sticky notes, like a post-it note, to records. You can have as many of these sticky notes as you like. The second icon allows you to add attachments. Examples of attachments include photos, Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, or PDFs. In this example, 2 text documents have been attached. Clicking on the record will open the document. The third icon provides the ability to link records. In this case, we have linked a supplier with a customer, and we've noted that John Smith is a major shareholder in both companies. The last icon allows us to add the alert text that we saw previously. In this case, we're highlighting that this is a preferred supplier. Finally, we'll look at the drill down from Excel functionality provided by Workflow. Let's open an Excel spreadsheet containing the GL data, and we'll highlight an amount, right-click on our mouse, and then select GL Drill Down. This then opens a screen within Greentree that shows us the account or accounts that make up that amount, and it also allows us to then click on View Transactions and see all the transactions, in this case invoices, that make up the total. Well, that's just been a quick overview of the fantastic capabilities of Greentree Workflow. I actually believe that Workflow is the best value of any of the Greentree modules. Its functionality and versatility is able to provide benefits to any user every day that they use the system. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, please contact us on any of the details below. Goodbye.